Did you buy a Serger and then it just sat there? Or maybe it's still in the box. Maybe you took it out once, stared at all the threads and the knobs and thought, nope. Or maybe you do use it, but only for the same 1 or 2 stitches because nobody ever showed you what it can really do. If any of this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Hi Serger Bee, I'm Sookie, your Serger coach, and I have helped tens of thousands of Serger owners just like you take their Serger out of the box, push past the overwhelm, and turn those nervous feelings into real stitches. And now it's your turn. The Year of the Serger Challenge isn't about a calendar year. It's about your year, your journey with the Serger you already own, where you improve, you build confidence, try new things, and most importantly, you don't give up. And the best place to begin is with my free Year of the Serger Quick Start Guide. When you download the Quick Start Guide, you'll get a simple, supportive roadmap to help you start using your Serger with confidence. And you'll also be added to my weekly Serger-only newsletter. Nothing else, just Sergers. I've been teaching Serger skills for over a quarter of a century, and each week I share tips, encouragement, and inspiration. Plus, I highlight what other Serger bees inside my Serger Dream Club are making, so you can borrow ideas and stay motivated. And if you like a little daily encouragement in between, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I share bite-sized Serger tips you can actually use, along with a little Serger humor, because sometimes we all need to laugh when the threads get tangled. As your skills grow, you'll also hear from me when one of my next level courses opens for enrollment, like Serger Escape. Serger Escape is my starter course designed for Serger owners who feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to begin. It walks you step by step through getting comfortable with your machine, building real confidence, and finishing with projects that prove to you you can do this. So stay tuned for open enrollment announcements when that time comes. But for now, the Quick Start Guide is the perfect way to begin. Because inside the Year of the Serger Challenge, I meet you exactly where you are. Whether your machine is a standard Serger or a combination machine, you're welcome here. And we'll touch on cover stitch only machines from time to time too. We'll work with quilting cottons, then move into knits, and as you're ready, we'll also use cover stitch and chain stitch to create beautiful, polished finishes, always at a pace that feels doable. Throughout the Year of the Serger Challenge, I'll share regular videos, sometimes explaining how something works, and sometimes walking you through how to actually use it. And throughout the year, I'll introduce small challenges. Nothing big, nothing overwhelming, just gentle nudges designed to help you try something new. Here's something important I want you to know. When you challenge yourself, you will feel a little uncomfortable, and that's exactly what's supposed to happen. That feeling doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means you're learning, you're stretching, and you're building confidence, one stitch at a time. I'll never throw you into the deep end. I'll show you what to do, explain why it works, and I'll walk you through it step by step. The goal here is not perfection, it's progress. And every now and again, we'll stitch a practical Serger project together so you can see just how far you've come, not just in your skills, but in your confidence. There are no deadlines here, no pressure to keep up. Just steady progress, gentle challenges, and real growth. This is your year to understand your Serger, your year to challenge yourself, your year to finally enjoy using your machine. So go ahead and download the free Year of the Serger Quick Start Guide. That's your first step. Welcome to the Year of the Serger. I'll be right here with you every step of the way.